very good morning, children. Welcome to our English class of Gurukul English Medium School, Standard 5. Today, we will begin our last lesson of Unit 3, and that's the lesson number 24, Senses Alert. Now, what do you mean by senses alert, children? What do you mean by senses? We have 5 senses. What are they? They are eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. Yes, these are the 5 sense organs of our body, and through which we see, we hear, we taste, we smell, and we touch and feel them. So these are the sense organs. Now let us understand what exactly is there in this lesson of senses alert of lesson number 24. Please take your textbooks out as I am explaining this lesson for you. Now look at the picture or the photograph on the pages 60 and 61 carefully and imagine the following. Now what all do you find, children, in page number 60 and 61? Here in this first slide you can see a rose, you can see lemon, you can see a girl sitting, and also you can see a chandelier, you can see a squirrel. So there are few things which are displayed in this slide. Now the color, shape, size, actions, etc. of what you see in the picture, the sound or the sounds you may hear at the scene of the photograph, how the different things, birds, animals, etc. in the picture feel to the touch, the smell or the smells you may smell at the scene of the picture, the taste of what you see in the picture. Now, for example, let us take the first picture, which is the rose. Now, as soon as you see the picture, what comes in your mind? It's a flower. Yes, and it gives a good fragrance, and there are beautiful colors. Yes, but here in this picture, what is the color which we see? It's red. Yes, the size, shape, size is totally different from other flowers, isn't it, children? Yes, similarly, even the other pictures also. Let us take the example of a lemon, which is over here. Here, how does the lemon look like? It is round or oval shape, and when it is cut, it is in a semicircular object. Now, how does it taste? Yes, sour. So, each fruit has its own taste, and the smell of the lemon is also different from other fruits, isn't it? And what about the squirrel? The moment you touch it, do you think it will be there? No, it will disappear immediately. So that's the kind of senses which we use when we see some objects, and based on those senses we come to a conclusion. So let us look at the next one. In short, let your imagination include all your 5 senses. Now write short description of any 8 to 10 of your choices. Now pick up any 8 to 10 pictures of your choice by using the 5 senses. What are the 5 senses? Yes, the sight, hearing, and the smell, and the taste, and also the touch. Okay, whether it is cold or hot, whether it is warm or how it is, and whether it is round or which color it is, what is the kind of smell, and what kind of sounds, if it is an animal or if it is an instrument, whatever. So whatever you feel, the 5 senses, wherever it is included, all those things have to be included. Now remember to make use of your senses, one or more, when you describe a photograph. You will find the following words and phrases useful. You may also use other words you know. So pick up 5 pictures, and also based on your 5 senses you need to write down what exactly that picture is. For example, you can take the ice cream. Ice cream is cold and it is pink in color with a brown cone. And how does it taste? Sweet. How do you feel? It's cold. So these are the things which you need to write about that picture. So like that, you need to write a short description of any 8 to 10 pictures of your choice. Let's move on further. What do you see? What you see can be big, small, tiny, huge, bright, dim, faint, dark, black, white, orange, green, blue, red, yellow. Now, this is the description of the colors. Now, let's look further. Round, square, rectangle, zigzag, straight, crooked, colorful. Now, these are the shapes. What kind of a shape that object or the picture is. Now, colorful, beautiful, lovely, wonderful. These are the words which you will be used to describe. You can use other words too. It could be sitting, waiting, walking, going, flying, swinging, shining, etc. So you can use any of these words to describe the pictures which you select. Now the sound or the sounds, it can be like this. Sweet sound, loud, soft, harsh, shrill, etc. So it can be very soothing, it can be very buzzing. So apart from these sounds which are mentioned over here, you can use other sounds as well. The sounds can be screech, a crash, a honk, a whisper, a sigh, a scream, a noise, or anything else. Okay, this is all about sounds. To the touch, things can be hot, cold, warm, cool, soft, hard, smooth, firm, rough, wet, dry, sticky, slimy, etc. So whenever you touch an object, you will get the feeling what kind of an object it is. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it hard? Or is it firm? Or is it smooth? Or is it hard? Or is it rough? Or is it sticky? Or is it slimy? So whatever you know about that picture, how you feel when you touch it, you need to use your senses of what kind of sound it makes, how you feel when you touch it, or what kind of shape, color, what is the position of the object. All these things you need to describe. Now, things may smell. So the things which you select may smell nice. It can smell sweet, it can smell good, bad, foul is something very dirty, etc. So you can use any other kind of smells apart from what is mentioned over here. It could be a strong, fresh, delicious, pleasant smell. The smell can be a scent, an aroma, a good smell. Aroma is a good smell. A fragrance again is a good smell. An odor, a stink is a foul smell. Foul is again a bad odor or bad smell. So what all are bad? You can use the words like odor or you can use stink. Now, things may taste sweet, sour, bitter, salty, nice, etc. Now, what tastes sweet? All the sweets, the juices, the mango, banana, ice cream. So, you know it well. Next, sour, as I said, lemon and oranges taste sour. Bitter, bitter gourd. It tastes bitter. And the leaves of neem also taste bitter. Salty, as you all know, salt tastes salty. Nice is something very good. So these are the words which you can use for the taste depending on what exactly the picture is. For example, if it's an ice cream, you can say as sweet. For lemon, you can use the word sour. You could call things cool, juicy, crunchy, yummy, tasty, etc. So the photograph shows an incense stick. Now, here in this slide, you can see an incense stick. Incense stick is nothing but an agarbatti burning. The smoke is, how is the smoke, children? White, and it's curling. The sweet fragrance of camphor flower, champa flower spreads. It makes me very happy. So this is the kind of description about the incense stick. So similar kind of descriptions you need to make about the pictures which you see. So select around 8 to 10 pictures and write the description using the 5 senses. So children, that's all we have for now. I hope you understood, and based on the description you need to make a clear, and whatever you feel you need to write, you write based on all that you see, all the sounds which the picture makes, and how it feels and how it smells and how it tastes. So I wish you all the best. Do it well, and I will see you soon. Bye bye for now.